As you can see, it's about doubled in size. So you're just going to want to punch it down. And then flour your surface. And then you're going to want to roll this out so it's about 10 inches wide and about 20 inches long.